Can be a little bit tedious to get these in sometimes. This one I had a little bit of trouble on, so you just take a flat tip, angle it in a little bit there, give it a tiny bit of a nudge, and it should pop right in. Or you could even push it on this just a tiny bit, and it'll give you a little leeway to push in. I'll finish the rest of these. And then installing these back clips is pretty simple. Same thing with the front. We want the bulge pushing out. Slip it on. These are a little loose. This is what it is. Snap in. Go. Just a few more left to do, and then the back windshield or window can go on.